Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of dealing with open pores on your face? Today we are going to reveal some effective DIY method to naturally remove open pores at your home. So let's get started. Method 1, ice cube massage. Begin by wrapping an ice cube in a clean cloth. Gently massage it over your face in circular motion for about 1 to 2 minutes. This will help to minimize the appearances of open pores while lighting the skin. Method 2, apple cider vinegar toner. Mix equal part of apple cider vinegar and water. Using a cotton pad, apply the mixture to your face after cleansing. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with water. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the skin pH level and reduce the appearances of open pores. Method number 3, baking soda scrub. Create a paste of mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda and enough water. Gently massage the paste onto your face in circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse off with water. Baking soda helps to exfoliate the skin and remove excess oil, leaving your pores less visible. Method 4, green tea steam. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool slightly. Lean over the cup, covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. Let the steam open up your pores for about 5 to 10 minutes. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help to shrink the size of your pores. Method 5, aloe vera gel. Apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel to your face after cleansing. Leave it all on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Aloe vera gel has cooling and moisturizing properties that can reduce the appearances of open pores. Remember, consistency is key when using this method. Incorporate them into your skincare routine and you will start seeing result over time. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.